Hi Tarot Tribe, it's Ethany and it's Friday, which means I have a new deck to share with you all and to walk through. Today we have the Influence of the Angels Tarot. This is published by US Game Systems and it is by Jody Baginski Baresi. I hope I have said that right. And this is a new deck that's come out from US Game Systems. It's beautifully packaged. It's got gold embossing on the sides. And as always, I'm going to go through the entire deck and show you each one of these Influence of Angels cards. Now, I've seen a couple of these images on Instagram. I haven't seen anyone's unboxings. I tend to, if I know I'm getting a deck, I tend to stay away from other people's unboxings. But this is an interesting concept because it's like the influence of angels, so they're kind of around each one of the people in the deck. So let's switch over cameras and have a look through this new deck. Okie dokie, now we're going to go through the Influence of the Angels tarot deck. And I have taken off the plastic wrap before I got started because it is a little bit easier that way. And as you can see, it's got a beautiful gilt and that matte finish, which is just beautiful. As I mentioned before, this is a deck from US Games Systems. It's a nice sturdy box. Beautiful red inside. The back, and they are gilded in gold, and we have a nice fat guidebook. So I'm going to go through that a little bit more. Once we've gone through, you know the drill. You know the drill, everybody. If you have this is the first video of mine you've watched, then you will soon know the drill. Everybody else knows the drill. Go through the cards. Shuffle, pick a card, have a look at what the guidebook says. I feel like it's a good little ritual, a good little thing to get into. So shiny, I like shiny decks. Oh yes I do. That blue and gold is real pretty. Okay, so it's got quite a glossy finish. So they're very slippery, that lovely fanning finish, but I do find that it makes it a little bit trickier to shuffle. Standard tarot card size, and the deck card stock I'd say is about 330 to 350 GSM. It's nice and thick, and I find that having gilded edges actually makes the cards a little bit more robust, as in they feel like they're stronger. So this is a Fool. Now, I actually don't own any decks that are angel themed. I have some decks where there are angels in them. This is one of the first themed angel decks I've kind of unboxed, I believe. Magician. High Priestess. Empress. That's a really pretty Empress. There's a little chubby Cupid in the background. The Emperor. Now there's no the, which is interesting because the makes each one of the major arcana cards a formal noun, and that's been taken away. Interesting. Hierophant. I'm sorry. Hang on, I gotta get this. That got creepy. You see him creeping? I find him creepy. I find that creepy. Lovers. Chariot. Strength. Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. Justice, Hanged Man, I like that. Death, it's a cool image. Temperance, Devil, Tower, Star, Moon. They're beautiful images. Even though like those sea monsters all coming up, it's still a really cool image. I like those two a lot. Sun, Judgment, World. Okay, so the cups, Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, Three of Cups, and every card has got angels in them or cherubs, as you can see, and they are influencing the scene, hence the name of the deck. Four of Cups, Five of Cups, Six of Cups, oh that's really cute. Seven of Cups, Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups, 10 of the Cups, Page of Cups. We have an angel in the cup instead of the fish. The Knight of Cups, Queen of Cups, the King of Cups. This kind of reminds me a little bit of the Touchstone Tarot, which I have. The Ace of Swords. I wonder if it's the same artist. I'm totally looking it up. I'm going to go run over there and find out after this video. Two of Swords. So as you can see, there's a lot of reference and inspiration taken from the Rider-Waite-Smith cards. Four of Swords. Quite like the borders, and I like the font used quite a lot. Five of Swords, it's cool. On the deck as well. Six of Swords. Seven of Swords. That's a cool image. The Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords. 10. Page of Swords. The Knight, the Queen, and the King. Now onto the Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. I like the color of the Pentacles. Two. I'm juggling. Oh, sorry, that looks. It looks like she's juggling the angel. Whee! Okay, I'm in a silly mood, obviously. Three of Pentacles. Oh, I like that they're in a stable. And it's a blacksmith. That's cool. I really like that. The Four of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. This is a beautiful one too. The Seven of Pentacles. The Eight. Oh, it's embroidered lace. That's really cool. I like that a lot. That takes that kind of work. Like if you've ever had a look at those videos on like Instagram or YouTube of how it's made, it is insane. Nine of Pentacles, my favorite cards in the tarot deck. So as you can see, a lot of traditional notes taken from the Rider-Waite. The Ten of Pentacles. The Page of Pentacles. Oh, cute. The Knight of Pentacles. He looks a little bit Scrooge McDucky, doesn't he? Not Scrooge McDuck, but Scrooge. The Queen. And the King. Alrighty, now we're on to the Wands. Ooh, that's cool. And a William Blake. Two of Wands. The Three of Wands. Four of Wands. Five of Wands. The Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Charge. Nine of Wands. The Ten of Wands. The Page. Which is looks like a girl. The Knight of Wands. The Queen of Wands. With that kitty and the sunflower. And the King of Wands. How dare you steal the pizza! And then we have a couple of extra cards where there's some numbers, so numerology, from the Ace to the Page, Knight, Queen and King. And then we've got the elementals. So here we've got Wands of Fire in this and Element, the Swords Air. So again, very Rider-Waite Smith. They're cool. I like these little extra cards, little extra flash cards, because the pages are printed off with 80 cards, the way it's cut. So that's why there's extra, and that's cool to use the extra too. So let's give these a shuffle. They shuffle really nicely. Again, they are that like slippery, even though it's not fanning for me. It's trying to make a liar out of me. Cardstock, that laminate, sorry. Let's see what we got here. The Two of Wands. So let's have a look in the guidebook and then we'll have a look at what information we get for our chosen card. So it's a guidebook. It talks a little bit about angels, the major arcana. Oh, and we had the name of the angel on there. That's kind of cool. Copper pale, the symbols, the direct meaning. That's cool. Quite a lot of information is in here for Shorzy, but we went right into it. So let's see if there's anything at the back. Reading with the tarot. Then we have a influence of the angels tarot spread. the Heart of the Matter tarot spread, and about the authors. Oh, they're sisters and they worked on these two. That's cool. Okay, so let's have a look at the Two of Wands, which I believe was at the back. It's a nice chunky book. Do you like me, a nice chunky book? So the twos represent duality and balance, symbols man with one foot on the wall. He is ready to leap over and proceed forward, but has not done so yet. This illustrates a point in between before and after, the hesitation or pause one may have before moving forward with confidence. It represents making a decision. The sextant, the red color of the cape and hat for enthusiasm. The two wands, the wall, and the background. And then the meanings. It's making a decision, feeling dissatisfied for shadow. And the angel message, may your choices be thoughtful and timely. So there's quite a lot of information in here. And again, it reminds me very much of the Touchstone Tarot. This deck may actually change my mind about having angels in cards. Maybe. I'm going to give this a whirl. I'm going to work with it for a little bit and see how I go. You can get this deck, it's from US Game System, so it will be wherever you can get your fine decks from. And I'll pop a link of one of the options. And as always, thank you so very much for watching.